Hi guys, I'm Spurti. Welcome back to Hashtag Travel. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. This video is about the top 10 things to do in Ooty. Ooty, officially known as Udagamandalam, is a popular hill station in the state of Tamil Nadu. Local residents also call it the Queen of Hills. The landscape is marked by rolling hills covered with dense vegetation. Smaller hills and plateaus are covered with tea gardens and eucalyptus trees. The weather is quite pleasant at around 15 to 20 degrees centigrade around the year, dropping to as low as 0 degrees during the winter. So, pretty much it's an all season destination. I feel Ooty has its own charm in all the seasons, so it depends upon you to choose the best season for you. Ooty is well connected by road. One can drive to Ooty or rent a taxi. There are few buses from big cities which are available to and from Ooty. Let me leave the details in the description box below. The nearest airport is Coimbatore International Airport. The nearest railway station is Udagamandalam Railway Station. You can hire a taxi or an auto or maybe rent a car or a bike depending upon your choice. I'll leave the details of the rental company in the description box. Number 1. Ooty Toy Train Ride. A journey in the toy train gives you one of a kind experience as the ride offers you captivating landscape, dense forest, and flowing river. The train runs from Ooty to Mettupalayam and back, but if you just want to experience the ride, then you can get off at Kunur. I'll leave the timings and the booking details in the description box below. Number 2. Toda Village. If you're looking for a unique experience and love doing something offbeat, then you should visit the Toda huts in Ooty. The Toda tribe is one of the indigenous tribes of Ooty, and these huts are their homes. The huts are shaped in the form of semi barrels and they do not have windows. You will be surprised to see the structure due to the unique appearance. The door to these huts are so low that one has to stoop or bend down to enter these huts. But once you enter, there is enough space for you to stand. This tribe basically survives on cattle rearing and farming at large. Number 3. Botanical Gardens. One of the most important places to visit in Ooty is a botanical garden. It is one place where you'll find unique collection of flowers, trees and ferns. There are more than 600 species of plants and flowers cultivated here. Thus, this place is a heaven for nature lovers and plant lovers. Number 4. The Tea Factory and the Tea Museum. Wondering how to manufacture tea? Then this is the place you should come to. The Tea Museum will let you in about the facts about teas like its origin, its evolution over time. They will also show you the process involved in manufacturing tea. I'm sure this will blow your mind. And you'll never do get this refreshing beverage the same way as you did before. At the end of the tour, you get to buy some tea if you wish to. Number 5. Dodda Betta. Dodda Betta is the highest mountain in the Nilgiris. The name is derived from two Kannada words, Dodda means big and Betta means hills, making it Dodda Betta. To reach the viewpoint, one has to walk about 500 meters from the parking. Upon arrival, one can get the view of the mountain and the town of Ooty. And there is also a telescope house where you can enjoy the great view of far off places in Ooty. Be prepared, it might be a little too crowded at times, and the parking of cars could be an issue. Number 6. Boating in Ooty Lake. Ooty Lake is an artificially constructed lake with picturesque surrounding. Originally, it was constructed for the purpose of fishing. Now, the lake has become an important tourist landmark in Ooty. The Ooty Lake Boating House, run by the Tamil Nadu Tourism, offers various boat rides to savor the view around. When it isn't crowded, you can enjoy a serene 30-minute of ride among the trees and the view of the distant hill. Pedal boats, row boats, and large motorboats are available for you to hire. Let me leave the price details in the description box below. Number 7. Trekking, camping, and adventure activity. If you're bored of visiting the same popular tourist spots in Ooty and want to try or explore something new, then trekking, camping, cycling, horse riding, and other adventure activities could be a good option. I'll leave the details of the companies that organize all these activities in the description box below. Number 8. Elk Hill Murugan Temple. To reach the temple, one needs to climb around 70 steps. This temple is situated on Elk Hill and is dedicated to his primary deity, Lord Muruga. The panoramic view of the valley from the temple is quite breathtaking. There is a 40-foot standing statue of Murugan resembling the Batu Cave, Malaysia Murugan. Number 9. Shopping. Ooty is famous for handmade chocolate, fruits, honey, aromatic oils, toda shawls, tea, antique jewelry, and handicrafts. I leave the name of the streets where you can shop in the description box below. Number 10. Chilling in a cafe. After a long day of sightseeing, you can take some time and unwind yourself and chill in a cafe. To name a few, Billy's Coffee Pub, Cocoa Pods, Nahar Sidewalk Cafe. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you liked it. For more information, I have a blog post. I leave the details in the description box below. You can also leave your queries in the comment section below. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!